uthole u-42,949,076 but isitha decided ukuthi no, the truth shall set you free. So lalela mntomnyama, asiqale. Once upon a time, a long time ago, there was a woman, we will call her Christina. Understand ukuthi she woke up ekuseni and decided, let me clean my house. Christina immediately woke up, went to take a bath, and then after that, she decided to clean her house. She was cleaning, and then she was like, no, man, it's my birthday. Let me go and play. So after cleaning the house, she decided to go dress up and look beautiful. Since it was her birthday and she had no one to spend it with, she decided to pack her bag and go straight to the place to play the things that are played by adults. Christina took a taxi and then she went straight to the place where adults play games. After that, when she arrived, she then looked around. She was looking around trying to find the perfect one that she's gonna sit down and play. Finally, Christina found the perfect one. She then sat down. When she sat down, she decided it is time. She took out the money and then she put it in the arcade game. Yes. And then she was playing. She was playing until she knew, no man, I am losing. After that, she decided, nope, this is my last time playing. This is the last time I'm gonna play here, and then I'm gonna go to eat somewhere at the restaurant and go back home. So she took the money, she then put it in the arcade game, and then let's go back asibuyele emumva to the very beginning. In late August 2016, Christina visited World Arcade, New York City, which was in Queens. Understand, she then sat down with Spinex penny ban machine, which only cost 40 cents to play the game. She then sat down and played the game, and something unbelievable popped up on the screen game. The screen game told her that 42,949,672.76 After playing the game, even Christina couldn't believe it. So she took out her phone and took a selfie just to show abantu at the family, just to show everyone, our lives have changed forever. Ekuqaleni, in the beginning, when all of this happened, the employees of the arcade congratulated her and said, this is amazing. However, they told her, nope, you need to come back tomorrow so that we can finalize everything. You will then collect everything that belongs to you. So Christina said, yes, I'm gonna come back tomorrow. When Christina left, Isita was angry. Isita was furious. They could not accept ukuthi they are about to give umntomnyama ihemce engaka. They did not want this to happen. The next day, Christina returned. She was with her kids. She was with her husband. Understand, they took them and told them to go into the office. When they went into the office, the arcade told Christina the machine has malfunctioned. Yes, that it displayed that she did not win 42,900,000. Yes, instead, batibona they will give her $2.25. Christina, she played the game. Igame yasho ukuthi uwinile, but isitha sathi no, we will not give you le mali. Instead sokunika $2.25, and also but bazomnika i-steak meal. I-meal ye-steak azohamba nomndeni wakhe bayohlala phansi badle steak. Christina tried her very best to go to the media, to go to social media, raise awareness, trying to make sure that everyone knows and she gets justice. And when Christina tries to pursue this, court, but there's not enough proof. There's no evidence to back up, and I show you.